Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can uncap FPS in Roblox BloxStrike. So as you can see here now I'm with 60 FPS, and if you want to uncap it you just need to press escape, then you need to go to settings. First thing what you need to do here is to look for maximum frame rate and make it to the highest amount here, or default. In my case I will do 40 FPS. Now as you can see here I am getting 160 FPS, and if I want to make more FPS, what I need to do here is to go to settings, and then you need to look for graphic quality and make it lowest as possible here. And now as you can see I'm getting a 250 to 40, so from 60 to 50 it's quite good deal. So yeah, that's basically it, and if I help you out please press like and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.